Evening again. This is only a 2-minute video. That's all, just a 2-minute video. I keep talking about I cherry pick, and I keep talking about trades that I just get excited about and I really want to get into. And I've explained to you on this chart of the gold that really excited me. This is why I put the trade in. I can also explain to you that, say on the US dollar JPY, see you got this long candle way through the Bollinger Band, then it tried to come down again. As this, if I'd been watching the chart at the time, and if I'd seen this happen, this candle here, if I'd seen it happen, I would have been putting in a long trade straight away. This here, if I'd actually seen it when it happened live, I would have been putting in a short straight away. Because when you see a Bollinger Band like that, and you see price go right through the Bollinger Band, as you do, then I'll go on to, so I'll just zoom out. There's two things here. Two things. One is you see a regular pattern like this. You see a spike, price come down, divergence. It'll come down below the 8 or whatever, then it'll go back up again. And it's through the Bollinger Band. Then you see price generally when you see a pattern like this, and you see patterns like this regular, price will start coming back down again. But when I see something like this, and even if the price was up here and it was a big blue candle up here, I would have pressed a short straight away. Because when you see it go through a Bollinger Band, as you've seen it there, it's right through the Bollinger Band. As a rule of thumb, and up to now, I've never had a trade fail when I have done it. I would be so excited, and I'll be, that's it, I'm putting a short in immediately. Because generally what happens is the price moves very, very quickly, goes through the Bollinger Band very, very quickly, and you've got everyone taking the profits. So you know the price is going to come back. You know it's going to come back, and it always does. This is why you get these spikes, and this is why you see the long shadows round the Bollinger Band. And same as US dollar JPY. It's exactly the same. You see the price come all the way down right through, but then this one jumps all the way through it. What happens? Price comes back. So if that had been red all the way down there, I would be putting in a long, straight up. And it happens all the time. I mean, if you look on the daily chart, what happened on the daily chart? Straight through the Bollinger Band, and it would have been long, and I would have been putting in a short up here. I wasn't there when it was going off. It was like later on. But if I'd been sat at the chart and I'd noticed it, I would have been putting in short straight away, or on this one here. But only because of the way it is through the Bollinger Band. Because you can see here, the price is just comes through very, very quickly. That means the market's moving so fast. And when you see the market move so fast, you can actually see the candle getting longer and longer and longer. I'll be waiting for it to actually pass through the Bollinger Band. I'll be waiting for it to come down, and maybe at this point here, I've been putting in a short, because I knew even if it goes down further, I would know it's going to come back through. So I just wanted to spend a couple of minutes on that. When I cherry pick, that's how I cherry pick. I cherry pick that way. Okay, so enjoy the rest of the night, and I'll send you another video tomorrow morning after we see how the markets close. Good night. Bye for now.